PM condoles demise of Sri Siddheshwara Swami. Sri Siddheshwara Swamiji is one of India's top spiritual thinkers who hails from the state of Karnataka. He is renowned for his inspirational speeches about life. Online gaming industry poised for rapid expansion and growth. MOS Sri Rajiv Chandrasekhar. Budget releases draft amendments to the IT, Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code Rules 2021 in a relation to online gaming. Pariksha Pe Charcha 2023 to be held on 27 January 2023. Sri Dharmendra Pradhan. Students from over 150 countries, teachers from 51 countries, and parents from 50 countries have registered for PPC 2023. 38.80 lakh participants have registered for PPC 2023 as compared to about 15.7 lakh for PPC 2022. India takes over leadership of the Asian Pacific Postal Union. 13th APPU Congress held in Bangkok during August-September 2022. Dr. Vinay Prakash Singh, erstwhile member, personnel, Postal Services both will take over the charge of Secretary General of the Union for a tenure of 4 years. India is determined to live up to global benchmarks to be able to play a global role in years to come. Unlocking a space sector for private industry cabinet approvals for geospatial guidelines, drone policy and Modi's stress on blue economy will definitely propel India among the top 5 nations in the world in next decade. To like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel RICE Smart Bangla.